Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video guys, ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung first time na pag-launch ng Singapore ng isang autonomous mobile robot na tinatawag po nilang Severe or New Home. So let's go guys, tingnan po natin yung about sa robot. So ito po yung ginagamit nila during yung pag-COVID po. So tingnan po natin. So, andyan po yung mga reporters. Kasama ko, yung taga-media. So, tingnan po natin yung video kung paano nila na-test yung robot. So, ito po, yan po yung Severe na robot. At saka yung mga taga-media po. So, yan. So, ayun, susunod po tayo dito guys. Ayan po sila. So, tingnan po natin.
For the keep distance daw. Ayan, may mga camera silang dala. So, yan. Lapit na guys.
Can I get a staff to please clear the background? It's ready. Yeah.
So, by the way guys, yung robot pala na nakadetect po pala yan ng smoke or any pollution. So, once na mag-smoke ka or any pollution, so mababala yung robot.
Please do not smoke in prohibited areas such as covered walkways. Please do not smoke in prohibited areas such as covered walkways. Please do not smoke in prohibited areas such as covered walkways.
Can you get it? Say it again.
Please do not smoke in prohibited areas such as covered walkways. Please do not smoke in prohibited areas such as covered walkways. Please do not smoke in prohibited areas such as covered walkways. Please do not smoke in prohibited areas such as covered walkways. Please do not smoke in prohibited areas such as covered walkways. Please do not smoke in prohibited areas such as covered walkways. Please do not smoke in prohibited areas such as covered walkways.
Is it possible to get a bicycle? Sorry? Is it possible to get a bicycle?
Okay guys, so okay, dito na po tayo. So, ito po yung behind the scene po nung in-interview na po yung speaker about sa machine or sa robot. So, andito po lahat yung mga taga-media po sa Singapore, included na po yung CNA, Straits Times, at lahat po na yung News Today, lahat po ng mga reporters, mga media personalities. So, andito po sila lahat. So, hanap po tayo ng venue or yung anoan po natin, mapwesto na parang okay po na yung direct po tayo at saka okay tingnan yung video. So, hanap po tayo ng okay. So, dito tayo po pwesto guys. So, yun, makikita po natin, naka-standby lang po yung machine na Severe sa likuran po, and tinitest po nila yung at piniprepare po nila yung mga questions ng mga reporters. So, dahil hindi naman po tayo reporters at nagpa-vlog naman po tayo, so dito naman po tayo sa para hindi naman tayo makagulo sa kanila. So, marami pong mga photographer at saka videographer po akong kasama po dito. Pero lahat po sila ay mga din po, mga Chinese at saka mga ibang lahi. So, ayan. So ito yung na-cover po natin sa time na to and sa tanghalian ng araw na to. So, ito pa ay nangyari sa Toa Payoh po sa Singapore. Ayan. So, maganda po siyang yung machine po. At saka nakatulong po yan sa social distancing and saka yung sa mga lettering po. At saka yung pollution. Yes. Dahil ginagamit po nila sa pag-detect ng mga undesirable social behavior. Yeah. So, yan guys, and yan po yung machine. So, ginagamit po yan upang mapanatili ang kalinisan po sa isang lugar. So, yung smoking po, prohibited po yung at saka yung improperly parking vehicles, ganyan. Yan, tinatry po nila kung okay ba yung takbo at saka effective ba. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. So, hanggang dito na lang po and see you on my next vlog. Thank you and goodbye. Have a nice day sa lahat.